Hello, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to our channels. Continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series. Here I came up with 71st question written on the screen. And what is the problem statement of question given to us? In an, a1 is equal to 4, an plus 1 is equal to root 3 an by 2, bn is equal to mod of an plus 1 minus an for n belongs to natural number, sn is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to n of bk. Prove that sn is less than 5 by 2. Now how to proceed further? We have a1 is equal to 4 over here. So a2 will be becoming what? Square root 3 plus 4 by 2. That is square root of 7 by 2. That means square root of 3.5 it would be. And when we'll be going to compute the approximate value of this thing, 1.87 it will be. Now what we can observe over here? a2 is smaller than a1. That means a2 minus a1 will be a negative quantity, that will be less than 0. Now let's compute some more values, like a3 will be going to compute, that will be becoming what? Square root 3 plus root of 3.5 divided by 2. By making use of this equation written over here and keeping n is equal to 2 in this equation. First time I kept n is equal to 1 in this equation. So we'll be going to get what? Square root of 3.187 divided by 2. And that will be becoming square root of 2.43. And the value of that will be becoming 1.56. Now let's proceed further. And one more thing we can observe over here, my dear students, that a3 is smaller than a2. That means what? a3 minus a2 will be lesser than 0. Now when n is equal to 3 will be substituted by me in this equation over here. What can be achieved by us? a4 is equal to square root 3 plus square root of 1.56 divided by 2. So what will be the final value of this thing? Not square root, directly 1.56 we would have to write. That will be becoming square root of 2.28. And the final value will be becoming 1.501. Now again we can see one thing. a4 is lesser than a3. a3 was this thing, a4 is this thing. That means what? a4 minus a3 will be lesser than 0. Now proceeding further, we'll be going to see what? When n is equal to 4 will be substituted by me. Say 5 will be becoming square root 3 plus 1.501 by 2. That will be becoming square root of 2.25. Approximate value of that will be little greater than, you might be wondering, 1.5 only, because I took 1.501, so that will be becoming 2.2501, and the final value of will be becoming 005 it would be, because we have divided by 2 also. So the value of it will be becoming 1.50016. So what do I want to show you? What does I want to show you? Every time we can see, now we can see what? a5 is lesser than a4 over here. That means what? a5 minus a4 will be lesser than 0. And what is asked to us in the question? They told Sn is equal to summation bk. For k is equal to 1 to n they gave. And what is the value of bk we are knowing? Mod of an plus 1 minus an we are knowing. That means mod of an plus 1 minus an and summation in front of it. For k is equal to 1 to n it will be. Now proceeding further, we will be writing n is equal to 1 will be generating mod a2 minus a1 over here. N is equal to 2 will be generating mod a3 minus a2 over here. Then 3 will be generating mod a4 minus a3 over here. Then 4 will be generating mod a5 minus a4 over here. Goes on up to, at the last, what would be written over here? Mod an plus 1 minus an will be written over here. Now guys, let's see. A2 minus A1 was which type of quantity? It was a negative quantity. So mod of negative quantity will be opening with a minus sign. So that will be becoming what? A1 minus A2. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is a negative quantity. We had already seen. So its mod will be opening with the negative sign. That will be becoming what? A2 minus A3. And similarly, one more thing we had already seen. A4 minus A3 is a negative quantity. So its mod will be opening with the negative sign. That will be becoming A3 minus A4. And similarly, A4 minus A5 will be. And finally, we'll be going to have what? An minus An plus 1. So plus A2 minus A2 will be gone. Plus A3 minus A3 will be gone. Plus A4 minus A4 will be gone. Similarly, everything in between would be going to get cancelled with one another. And finally, we'll be remaining up with what? A1 minus An only will be A1 minus An plus 1 will be remaining up with. Guys, this is only the value of Sn. And what did they tell? They told us one thing. It should be less than 5 by 2. So 4 is the value of A1 we are already knowing. Minus An plus 1. Now let's talk about the value of An plus 1. Which type of values we were getting. Very first time 1.87 I was getting. Then 1.56. Then 1.50. Then 1.50016. Guys, no, if I'll be going to proceed further, let us suppose, then too I'll be going to get over and again same type of number only, which will be little greater than 1.5. Little greater than 1.5. That means what? You can try it, okay? Generally means if you'll be going to proceed further, you'll be going to get a number which will be little greater than 1.5. That means the value of An plus 1 written over here can maximum become 3 by 2. It can maximum reach up to 3 by 2. So the value of Sn written over here should be definitely less than 4 minus 3 by 2. That means Sn written over here should be definitely less than 5 by 2. And that will be going to prove this thing. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.